This is a short film that highlights southwestern Ontario's 7 woodpecker species. The most dramatic is the pileated. At 40 centimeters, it is by far the largest. It can be seen year-round. While there are no guarantees in birdwatching, I've had luck finding this species at the Westminster Ponds ESA in South London. Adult males have a red patch on each cheek. Most yellow-bellied sapsuckers that we see are flying through in the spring or in September and October. The bold white stripe at the front of the bird's wing is a good identification clue. Only the adult males have a red chin. These woodpeckers drill holes in distinctive horizontal robes. This is a juvenile sapsucker on which a yellow wash on its belly can be seen. The downy woodpecker, our smallest, is easily found all year. Adult females lack the red patch at the back of the head. Here's a male. A downy's beak is short compared to the size of its head. Our hairy woodpecker is similar in so many ways to the downy. Although the hairy is about 33% larger, it's often best to key in on the bill. It's very big compared to the size of its head. The plumage of our well-named red-headed woodpecker is dramatic. Some good spots for seeing this species are Pinery Provincial Park's Heritage Trail and Rondo Provincial Park. Northern flickers are common. They often feed on the ground. The male has a black mustache. This bird is a female. Flickers have a brown back. Our 7th woodpecker species is the red-bellied woodpecker. Don't think too much about the bird's red belly. It's seen only occasionally. This bird is similar in size and shape to the flicker. Key in on the black and white back. The red on the adult male red belly wraps right around from its nape to its crown. So there they are, our 7 charismatic woodpeckers.